Make a great choice today with the 2018 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine, which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, keyless entry, dual airbags, Bluetooth, moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.